Hello, this is Gwen from Gwen the Trash Witch. Welcome back today. I'm going to be sharing with you my Deck the Year card, which is hosted by Penny at Penny's Crafty Creations. It's a once a week open collab where you can alter any type of a card. So what I've chosen today, I'm going to work with a time card again. I'm loving these. They're a wonderful weight. They fold up nicely. They are very versatile. And the pack I bought last year is not seeming to go down. So I'm going to keep using these. Got to use my stash. Everything is glued on. Pretty well, no, there are some things I use my Eileen's glue. Scotch permanent glue stick. This is the glue stick I use. It seems to work well. I've done a lot, not a lot. Why am I saying that? I've been using corrugated cardboard for my makes recently. If you don't know about this, you can peel this back and get this wonderful cardboard there with the corrugation. And then this flattens down really easily. So if you just kind of push it down and then you can ink that. I use this paper too. I love this grungy recycledness of saving the cardboard. So if I get a package, I often will just cut off the flaps so I have some nice smaller pieces to work with. So you're going to see some of this. This is the kit that I bought offline. I think I mentioned before. So I'm loving this kit. I saw it being used and I thought, oh my gosh, for some reason frogs are just speaking to me right now. And I honestly can't say that if I saw one in my garden, I'd be overly thrilled, but I love them in crafting. There was a sheet of stamps here that I've used, and here's the kit. The Junk Journal Studios, and I think it's called Outside Curiosities Kit 3. There is more to this kit. I think that there are smaller pieces, embellishment type pieces, I don't know, but yeah, it's like a 3-part kit. I've only bought this one. I love the stamp, faux stamp images here, so yeah, I'm enjoying this. It's a big kit too, big kit. Okay, here's what I made. I made a little folio with it. So I've got some twine that I think it's like a baker's twine in green and cream, which I thought matched the look of this. Put a little eyelet there. Let me tell you, that crocodile and I, we don't work well together. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I need to just take some time and practice. You can see the cardboard, and I put a little piece under here. And there's one of the beautiful faux stamps with the frog. This little piece here is on another piece of the cardboard, so it raised it up some. So that's kind of fun to have a little raised piece. And then when we open it up, I've got some writing opportunities. And there's some of those scraps, how I told you I use those papers that you peel off of the cardboard. This stuff right here. So it is just little pieces, and then I've kind of inked over it, put another little stamp. Vintage photo is what I've inked around this. There is another piece of that top piece of the cardboard in the back, but probably this will get glued in, maybe glued in as a top pocket. So yeah, I just love that kit. It's just, I don't know, it's just speaking to me for some reason. So yeah, thank you, Penny, for hosting this for us. I think it is so fun to make all kinds of different things for your collab. Any type of a card is open to alter, so it gives us so many choices and opportunities to be creative and make some cool things. So thank you, Penny. Lots of people participate in this collab, so there's some fun content creators, or there's many fun content creators out there that will be sharing their Deck the Year makes for today. Most people post on Thursday, but you're certainly welcome to post, I think, anytime. I don't think Penny cares, but Thursday is the day that you can probably see the most people posting for this collab. So thank you everyone for visiting. I always appreciate your time. If you like what you see here, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button and leaving me a comment, tell me what you think. And they're always fun for me to read. All right, everyone, I will see you very, very soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.